Sketch the graph of an example of a function that satisfies all the given conditions. We have more conditions in this problem than we did in the last one, so we have to be a little bit more careful. But the first two are really easy. These are just function values, so we can plot those. F of 0 equals 0 means that we have 1 point of our function at the origin. And f of 3 equals -4 means we have a point at 3, -4. So that's an easy place to start. Now, let's keep going. We're told that the limit as x approaches 3 of f of x is infinity, which means as we're approaching 3, we've got a vertical asymptote, and we are rising in both directions, right? Because the two-sided limit is infinity. So we're going up in both of those directions. Then let's see. We've also got limits at -5. The limit to the left is -infinity. So our graph is going to be going down as we go towards -infinity. And the right-handed limit is +infinity. So we're going to be going up here. Then we've got the limit as x approaches 0. That's going to be 1. But because f of 0 is 0, that means that we're going to actually have an open circle at 1. And we're going to be approaching that open circle on both sides. Could be from above, could be from below. Not really sure. So I'm actually going to leave it blank for now, because if we get more information and we draw it like this and then we find it had to go down, that could be problematic. So I'm going to leave that alone for now. Let's keep looking. So that was this one. Here we've got the limit as x approaches infinity of f of x is 2. So that means as we're moving to the right, we are somehow approaching 2. Could be from above, could be from below. Doesn't really matter. I'm gonna go from below. Why not? So there we go. That is a horizontal asymptote at 2 on the right. And then on the left, as x approaches -infinity, f of x is approaching 0. So I'm going to make this one simpler and just draw it like that so that the asymptote's at 0. And then we haven't been given any more information. So if we want, we can just make this middle part simple and go like that. And that has all of the information on it that we needed. F of 0 is 0, f of 3 is 4. The limit as x approaches 3 is +infinity. The left-handed limit at -5 is -infinity. The right-handed limit at -5 is +infinity. The limit as x approaches 0 is 1. So we are approaching 1 on both sides there. Then the limit as x approaches infinity is +2, and as x approaches -infinity is 0. So there we go, that's it. There are lots of other examples. If we had a class of 30 students, it's possible for all 30 of them to have different graphs that are all correct, so long as these conditions are satisfied.